Hi, I am Nishan. Welcome. I'm looking for the earbuds to buy within the price range of 1000 to 1500. I choose Bolt because of its stylish and budget friendliness. Bolt has many collection of stylish earbuds. It's look so premium. Here many earbuds are there. So let's filter these through budget and playtime. First I choose price between the range of 1000 to 1500. Okay. And the playback time, I like long play time, but in the 1000 hour 3 earbuds are available. Let's look at all earbuds. Mustang Tarq 1499. It's look stylish. Astra wireless game earbud with 48-hour playtime, 13 mm drive, box, modern sync LED, quad mic, Bluetooth 5.3. Mustang Derby, its look premium and stylish. Z40 W20 UFO, its look stylish. K40 Z25 Z20 K45 K60 Rito Pro Set 20 Pro Rito K35 X30 Power Buds True Buds Shadow Active Vortex Cyborg Clarity by Bolt, high resolution sound for super clarity, premium ergonomics. So these are the earbuds between the 1000 to 1500. These Mustang Derby, let's look at these Mustang Derby earbuds with 1000 hours playtime, Bolt amp app support, dual device connectivity and Bluetooth V5.4. A bold partnership that simply gets you heart racing. Playtime 100 hours, connectivity, dual device connectivity, Bluetooth 5.4, 13 mm drives, fast charging, Zen quad mic, ENC, app connectivity, low latency, extra bass, racing grade audio performance, inner shell mirroring the Mustang's being interior. That means in the airport case, inside the case, the design looks like a interior of the Mustang car. Looks nice. Bolt AMP app connectivity. Tailor your sound, rename your earbuds, quick cleanup tool to remove dust. Custom tune audio with multi EQ modes, switch listening modes, gaming or music, assign custom tap gestures to your earbuds. fast pairing with blink and pair, stable connectivity. What's in the box? Custom size ear tips, TWS earbuds, color matched charging cable, and the stickers. Boult Mustang 100 hours playback, 10 minutes charge equal to 100-minute playtime. Lightning bolt type C, fast charging, water resistance, sweat and water resistance. One tap to unleash the beast. Thank you for being with me. Like and subscribe.